Hi, it's Jim from Live Work Dream to show you latest modification we made to our rig that makes it much easier to go boondocking. We like to stay out off the grid as long as possible, and we can basically double our water capacity by taking collapsible jugs like this. So I added a few valves to our freshwater system that allows me to pump water straight from the jug back into the tank. And I'll show you how that works. There we go. So we used to hold these jugs up, and it would take two of us to use this contraption I made to get water into the exterior fill valve inlet. And this is basically what they call a water thief attached to a funnel and an inlet, and that took a lot of effort and we always got messy and wet. This allows me to just pump water directly from the jug using our water pump. So our rig came with this bypass and a valve that would allow us to winterize the rig by sucking antifreeze into the freshwater system. And by adding another valve on the output side of the pump and another one going back into the relief area of the tank itself, I'm now pumping water from the jug into the tank without all the effort. What I did is installed those switches, those valves, and then added a switch that I can, shut the valve off, turn this pump on and off to start sucking the water out of the jugs from right here. So you can see this is much easier, and only one of us can do it and fill up the tank without getting all wet and messy, and it's a lot quicker too. You can see here we just get every last drop out of the jugs and then turn it off using the switch that I installed here that is just accessing the nearest DC power to the positive side of the pump. I always like to keep the vent valve open to release any pressure that's building up in the tank by filling it up, and I always remember to turn off these switches back to their default positions so that we can use the pump from inside without any problem. Thanks for watching and happy travels.